Today the market is uncertain. We don't know what is going on. We know that yesterday we had the market coming back up. We're quite happy about that, but this morning the market is going back down again. We have Bitcoin that has just went down 0.73%. Gala minus 2.78%, Ondo minus 5, Bread minus 7, not minus 7. So the market is going back down again. Remember yesterday we talked about the fact that the market could go down again before going back up, and even the analysts are not certain about what's going on. We know that Bitcoin lost we went down to 49,000, then we went back up around 55, 56, 57,000. So now that we're sitting around 55 to $56,000. So it means that we came back up, but we don't know if the market is going to go back down. So we are living in an uncertain world right now. So it's possible for the market to go back down. In terms of technical analysis, we are on the verge of a death cross. So the death cross is when the moving average 50 goes below the moving average 200. What does that mean? It means that we are heading to a bear market, a big bear market. But we don't know if the death cross is actually going to be aligned and it's going to happen, because there are some activities in the market that if they happen, then the market can go back up, but it's not quite sure. Also knowing that we are in the summer. During the summer, the market is usually slow because there's not that much activity in the market. So it's possible that the market can go down. And we had some stability when it comes to the Central Bank of Japan, where the interest rate were not hiked again. So we are stable at this point. We know that the hike took another 4% uptrend since yesterday, because yesterday we were sitting at 10%, so another 4% today, which is actually a good sign in terms of the economy. But the Magnificent Seven have taken a beating since Monday. Almost $650 billion loss in terms of market cap. So the Magnificent Seven are Amazon, Meta, so Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, and Google. So those are the Magnificent Seven. So they're taking a beating, and there's now a correlation between those tech companies and Bitcoin price. So if they continue to take that beating, then the Bitcoin price is going to go down. Analysts are talking about Bitcoin going down to almost $50,000. So we have to keep on watching the market to see what's happening, and more importantly, just analyze the market and not panic. Take action. Buy when you can buy. If it goes down, you buy a little bit. So you have to keep your capital in place. This is my opinion, so it's not financial advice. I don't give financial advice anyway. So there's a big correlation between the tech companies and the Bitcoin price. We have to watch those tech companies, see how they're going to react. Then we'll know what could happen to the Bitcoin market. Now, what do we learn from situations like this? Monday, when the market went down, we didn't know what to expect. And then Tuesday, the market came back up. So when the market came back up, we saw some projects that went back up fast. Bread went back up, Tao went back up, MS Sol, IMX, SEI, Notcoin, Floki, Near, Solana. So what we do now is what? We put those tokens in a list, waiting for the next shutdown of the market, so the next downtrend of the market. If the market goes down again, those are the tokens that we're looking to start buying, because we know that they will come back up faster. So that's what we're learning from the market. And the idea here is to continue to observe the market, to continue to stay attentive and see what's going on. And more importantly, stay calm, follow the market, and take action when need be. So that's it for today's updates. I'll see you tomorrow for another update.